Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Rizky Effendi. I will give my opinion about smoking on campus area and explain the material about simple present. Smoking on campus is a complex topic and often cause debate. There are several aspects that need to be considered, both in terms of health, social, and policy. 1. Student and staff health. One of the main reasons for banning smoking on campus is health. Cigarette smoke contains various harmful substances that can harm active and passive smoker. Students and staff who do not smoke are at risk of health problems due to exposure to cigarette smoke, such as respiratory diseases and cancer. By banning smoking, campus can contribute to the long-term health of their communities. 2. Learning environment. Campus is a place where students gather to learn and develop. A clean and healthy environment is essential for the learning process. The presence of cigarette smoke can create an uncomfortable atmosphere and interfere with concentration. By eliminating the practice of smoking, campus can create a more conducive atmosphere for learning. Next, smoking reduction effort. The ban on smoking on campus can also serve as a tool to reduce the number of smoking among students. By creating a smoke-free environment, campus can encourage students to reduce or even quit smoking. They can also provide support for those who want to quit by providing counseling and support program. Conclusion: smoking on campus is an issue that requires a holistic approach. Policies that prohibit smoking can protect community health, create a better learning environment, and support smoking reducing effort. While it is important to respect individual freedoms, the collective well-being should be a top priority in setting campus policies. In doing so, campus become healthy and more productive place for all members. Thank you. Okay friend, today we will learn about simple present and what are the things we will learn about simple present. The material we discuss is function, then characteristic, then formula, and finally example and exercises. Okay, the first is the function. Function of simple present. This is usually used to express habit. What is a habit? Habits is that is usually done every day. For example, 1. I always wake up at 6 a.m. to exercise. 2. She has a habit of reading a book before bedtime every night. 3. We usually have dinner together as a family on weekends. 4. I like to write to-do list every day to stay organized. And last, they always take a walk after the lunch. The second function is fact. Example is 1. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. And 2. The earth revolves around the sun. And 3. Humans have 29 bones in their adult bodies. 4. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. And last, cats are known to have excellent night vision. Okay, next. Then we continue to the characteristic. Then what are the characteristics of this simple present? Simple present has the first characteristic using adverb of time in the form of 1. Always. 2. Usually. 3. Often. 4. Sometimes. 5. Seldom. 6. Every day. Next, every night, every week, and twice a day. Okay, next. There is verb 1 plus s to es. For example, go to goes and cook to cooks. Then there is the verb followed by s. For example, a sentence containing the letters ss to discuss for discusses. ch teach to teaches. sh brush to brushes. And x mix to mixes. And u do to does. Apart from the sentence about that as s, this is the verb one at s or es. Next, he asked to be is or am or are. Am is asked when the subject is me. Is asked to when the subject is. She is a woman, he is a man, and it is only one object. Then are is asked for you, we, and they. For example, they for objects more than one. Okay, next we will analyze sentences that are simple present or not. The first is Aldi likes mango. Focus on the verb. Here the verb likes has an additional is. Then it is simple present. The second, Mr. Daniel was at home. He does not ask a verb her. He asks was instead of asking. It is difficult to be sure this is not a simple present. The third, he goes to school every day. This sentence has the word goes to is verb 2, verb 1 is at es. Moreover, this is an additional adverb of time in the form of every day. Then it is clear this is sentence is a simple present. The fourth, Miss Hannah cooked cake. The sentence is not followed by is or is because cooked is at with ad, not s or s, meaning this sentence is not a simple present. Okay, next. Let's go to the formula. There are two forms of simple present. He asks verbal and nominal sentence. In verbal sentence, in simple present, he asks observation to do's and does. It is followed by base verb. Base verb is the main verb or basic verb. For example, 1. Study. Next, work. And sing. And like. Understand. And bring. Okay, next. While nominal sentence, he asks to be. To be is, am, and are. Now to be is followed by adjective. What is adjective? It is an adjective. For example, big, beautiful, and smart. Then noun. For example, student, teacher. Then there is adverb, which is an adverb. For example, place, the place description in the classroom, or in the kitchen, or in the office. In can also be in the room. Then verb in, which is the best verb with s at in. For example, shop becomes shopping. Okay, next in formula for nominal sentence in positive sentence from the simple present. Have subject plus am plus is plus are plus at or noun or adjective. For example, Shani and Gracia are best friends. Formula for nominal systems in negative system from the simple present. Subject plus am or is or are plus not plus adverb or noun or adjective. For example, Shani and Gracia are not best friends. Formula for nominal systems in interrogative system from the simple present. Am or is or are plus subject plus adverb or noun or adjective. Are Shani and Gracia best friends? Next, formula of verbal sentence in positive system from the simple present to do and does, and subject plus verb 1 plus is or is plus object. For example, Marcia plays guitar every day. Formula of verbal sentence in negative substance from the simple present. Subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 and plus object. For example, Marcia does not play guitar every day. Formula of verbal sentence in interrogative sentence from the simple present. Do or does plus subject plus object. For example, does Marcia play guitar every day? So now let's go to the practice question, namely whether you ask do or does or ask as to as. There is the first problem. Azizi sing or sings Sweet Night. Because there is only one Azizi. Verb is. So Azizi sings Sweet Night. Second question. Indah and Katie cook or cooks cake. Indah and Katie meant two people. So the verb is without s. Jadi Indah and Katie cook cake. The third, the rabbit play or plays ball. There is her, which mean the verb does not ask. So the rabbit play ball. Fourth, because she read or reads a encyclopedia. Because there is only one person, the verb must be add with s. So she reads a encyclopedia. Now we will change positive sentence to negative or interrogative sentence. Okay, positive sentence Z helps Marcia. The negative sentence Z does not help Marcia. And the question sentence, does Z help Marcia? Okay, next sentence. Positive sentence is Indah like ice cream. The negative sentence, Indah does not like ice cream. The question sentence, does Indah like ice cream? Next, positive sentence is the students play football, and negative sentence is the students do not play football. And question sentence, do the students play football? Okay everyone, thank you for watching my video. I apologize if there is any unclear pronunciation. I will practice again diligently. Thank you.